Hi, this is Amy. Today I'd like to show you how to decoupage paper napkin on this recycle can. This recycle can I prepared with this white base color. You can use any white or light acrylic to paste on it, and very easy. And now let me show you how to use this paper napkin. Today I choose this vintage design paper napkin. First things you need to measure what's the container, how big size is needed, and design the layout first. Make sure where you want to put, how the way you want to put. And normally the napkin have a little bit stretchable, the fabric. You don't cut too big size. Otherwise, you got to sand it out. Normally, I use a ruler to cut it if I want to all the paste on the napkin, the whole napkin on the container. So I cut it first, make sure the straight line. And yeah, this is easy way. And you can choose a knife or this, the round roller knife to cut it. I used to like to use this roller knife to cut it because this roller knife, as is a smooth, not need me to pull or damage napkins. Every time you just be careful and patiently to cut all the napkin out, and just don't rush for something. And this kind of a knife you can get from Amazon or some like a Walmart or some, this is a very, very good to cut a napkin. You just roll back forwards, you can cut it out. And after this, everything prepared, and then now we can just use the first layer napkin. You need to peel out, yeah, 3 layer or 2 layer. You need to peel out and cut the edge and make sure the side edge is off. So when they're connect together, they're just sealed nicely, and the design will be look like a connection, a continue pattern. Okay, after the image, everything is ready and the paper prepared and a container prepared. Now you can use this mouthwash. And before use a mouthwash, I suggest the beginner, the decoupage beginner, you can use this brush and apply a little bit, very, very tiny little bit on the surface. In that case, you can carefully put a napkin on the surface, the proportion right. Um, Once everything is right, then you can apply more mouthwash on the top of the napkin. That case, napkin can solve this mouthwash or glue, and also another benefit is less the wrinkle. And after paste everything ready, and then you can let them dry. And when the surface is dry a few hours later, and you can apply more. Every layer before you apply, you need to make sure it's dry. And yeah, I think that's it. It's very easy and make the recycle can become a beautiful, useful, good quality and container. And I hope you like today's decoupage. If any question and something, just leave me comment. And the napkin you can get from chartino.com. And other stuff if you need it, I can just put give the link there, and you can just click on it. Thank you, and thank you for watch today's decoupage. Bye bye.